The Wright brothers flying. Yeah, not the original, but still cool.
And at some point, Sarah and I are going to go actually visit Kitty Hawk in North Carolina and film the history of that.
The Hawk of Kitties.
I couldn't find it.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Look at that. There's so much cool stuff in here. I'm going to have to break this video down into multiple parts. One for the car side of it, one for the aeronautical side of it, because otherwise it's just going to be like hours long. So you have to watch for it. Oh, look, there's a flying fish. There's a flying fish on the ceiling. I know. The timeline? Look at that. The 1909 thing. It just looks like a big circle. Be a wing walker. Be a wing walker. That engine.
You can fly with them before they go. Come see me after the show, and we'll get you set up with your first air tour. Hope to see you soon.
Let's watch the vomit scream.
I have got the worst sea legs right now. Oh my god. That was so neat.
Oh, this is North Carolina. All over.
I'm fine now. We're in level flight.
This is North Carolina.
What can you tell? Oh, I see the license plate of that car.
Oh, shit.
Oh, there's our runway. Wow.
F. It's such a weird feeling. Like I feel dizzy watching this.
Yeah. We're gonna pick the grass.
Whoa.
Oh, uh-oh.
I thought I was gonna fall over.
Did you?
That was weird. Now boarding.
When a plane used to be like a 5-star restaurant.
Yeah. Holy, look at the seats.
Look at the room.
I know. Back when they actually had room in their seats.
I wouldn't have to get up for Carolina to go eat.
It actually does feel kind of. Let's look at the window. Like,
Look at the leg room. We're getting ready to take off, everyone. We're taxiing out. Look, we're taxiing on the runway.
all your seat tray tables, please. You have to do this. The immerse exits are here. And
Stewardess Brian. Stewardess Brian.
Darren just farted. Get your oxygen mask out.
Look, on this side of the plane, they're already in the air. On the other side, they're just, oh, now they're up.
This was only 10 years before that.
Then the what?
This one. Lawn furniture.
Look at these. They look like old movie theater seats is what they remind me of. Oh, we're getting ready to go. Fly me to the moon. And look at how low and no closing doors, just an overhead compartment that was angled so that your stuff didn't fly out at you, hopefully. Look at the difference. Oh my gosh. You're old. Why am I having pictures of like Casablanca or something?
Like an Asian restaurant.
Yes. I'm at the Mandarin. It's kind of cool that they've set this up though.
Just don't stand up in front of me.
Yeah, no kidding. Like that.
Like that. That's,
So this particular tri-motor is the one that Admiral Byrd took to the South Pole for his trip to the South Pole in 1920.
Wow. This tri-motor that's on display here actually went to the pole. Crazy.
South Pole.
Yeah, crazy.
Yeah.
This is the actual one. The Tin Goose. I think she said it was all aluminum. It's pretty neat. They even have some of the aluminum that they was used on the plane. Crazy.